While this video runs through, I'll quickly talk about the features of this spin mop. This mop is 45 inches in length. It comes with two mop heads. They are both made up of microfiber. The mop head rotates 360 degrees. This makes cleaning under furniture very convenient. They are super soft and they pick up dirt easily, so it is very efficient to clean. The spin function of this mop is hand operated, as you can see in this video. Another feature that I love about this mop is that it has rollers underneath it. This makes it very easy to move around while you're mopping. Another convenient feature is a drainage system in the mopping bucket. Just unplug and the water gushes out. For a price point of 23,000 naira, which is about $13, this mop works really well. I only have a few complaints. The ringing function is not so great. It doesn't totally squeeze out water from the mop, and also the handle is not steady. If you're not careful while using the handle, you're going to spill water all over the floor. Aside those two complaints, this product has some really nice features and it is very efficient. I'll rate it a 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also kindly like, share and drop a comment on this video. Bye bye.